Authentic Happiness by Martin Seligman was written in 2002. Happiness has little to do with pleasure and wants to do with developing personal strength and character. The very happy people spend the least time alone and the most time socializing, and they are rated highest on good relationships by themselves and also by their friends. Purchasing power in the last 50 years has more than doubled in rich nations like United States, Japan and France. But overall, life satisfaction has not changed at all. Very poor people have a lower level of happiness, but once a certain basic income and purchasing power has been reached, beyond this point, there are no increases in happiness on a par with extra wealth. Author notes how important money is to you. More than money itself influences your happiness. Materialistic people are not happy. In one of Seligman's own study, he found that nearly all very happy people are in a romantic relationship. Nearly all those who consider themselves very happy lead a rich and fulfilling social life. They spend the least time alone among their peers. People who spend a lot of time alone generally report a much lower level of happiness. Religious people are consistently shown to be happier and more satisfied with their life than non-religious. Orthodox Jews are more hopeful for the future, for instance, than Reformed Jews. The sermons in evangelical Christian church are rosier than those heard in regular Protestant congregation. This strong hope for the future, as Seligman terms it, make people feel really good about themselves and the world. It is a mistake to spend our life trying to correct our weaknesses. Author says, rather than the most success in life are real gratification, authentic happiness comes from developing your strengths. What matters is the development of personal strength that do not depend on the quality of our childhood or current circumstances. Blood pressure actually goes down when people decide to bottle up their anger or express friendliness. The Eastern way of feel the anger but don't express it is a key to happiness. In contrast, the more gratitude you experience for people or things in your life, the better you feel. Seligman students had a gratitude night in which they invited someone along they wanted to thank for what they have done for them in front of everyone. The people involved were generally on a high for days or weeks afterward. We can no longer allow ourselves to believe that happiness is some mysterious thing enjoyed only by other people. The path to it are clearer than ever, and it is up to us to take responsibility for our state of mind.